Have you ever considered the impact of a disease like mumps on a child's life? Mumps, a word that may seem innocuous or even slightly comical, becomes less amusing when we delve into its implications for our children's health. Mumps is a viral infection that primarily affects the salivary glands, those little factories of saliva situated near your ears. The virus is infamous for causing puffy cheeks and a tender, swollen jaw, features that are often caricatured, but are far from humorous for those experiencing them. This disease often starts off incognito, masquerading as a common flu. It might begin with a fever, muscle aches, fatigue, and loss of appetite. The telltale swelling of the salivary glands typically doesn't show up until a few days later. It's this delay that often leads to mumps being overlooked or misdiagnosed in its early stages. Now imagine these symptoms in a child. Children, with their boundless energy and curiosity, suddenly finding themselves fatigued with aching bodies and an inability to eat their favorite foods. The physical discomfort is just the tip of the iceberg. The emotional toll of the disease, the frustration and sadness, can be just as challenging for a young child. Mumps is not just an inconvenience. It can have serious complications, especially in children. These can include deafness, inflammation of the brain and membranes covering the brain and spinal cord, inflammation of the pancreas, and in rare cases, it can even lead to fertility problems later in life. So, the question is not whether mumps matters. The question is how much it matters. And the answer is quite a lot. It's a disease that can impact a child's quality of life significantly, and its potential complications are far from trivial. In summary, mumps is a viral infection that starts off like a common flu, but quickly escalates, causing swelling in the salivary glands and leading to puffy cheeks and a tender jaw. In children, this disease can cause significant discomfort and distress, and in severe cases, it can lead to serious complications such as deafness and inflammation of the brain. The key takeaway from this discussion is the importance of awareness and early detection. If the signs of mumps are recognized early, the course of the disease can be managed more effectively, and the risk of complications can be minimized. So remember, mumps is more than just a silly word. It's a serious disease with significant implications for our children's health. Awareness and understanding are our best weapons in the fight against it.